इचिनिनाव ख्वाई मेंबू मनपुरिग्यान द वेलकम तौजरी मनपुरिग्यान फेसबुक पेज द वीआईपी क्लब की मरमद रिक्वेस्ट अमदी सजेशन क्या अम लाई फ्रेंड्स अगी ममांगी वीडियो द क्लियर उन ताक्रबनी वीआईपी क्लब की मेंबरशिप लौदब जादे हाइबगी रिस्ट्रिक्शन अमत लेते वीआईपी क्लब ऑप्शनल नि अखोना लौगे हायरबसु लौजब जाय लौरोय हायरबसु लौदबसु जाय अदुमपु ऑल यूजर्स होरबसु अनोब यूजर्स होरबसु कनागुंबा EIP की पैकेज बाय तौगे हाय तारगदी कनागुंबा एजुकेशन की पैकेज बाय तौगे हाय तारगदी अदुगा कंपनी सिगी अनो अनोबो प्रोडक्ट कया अमद नखोई पार्टिसिपेट तौगे हाय तारगदी हायबदी स्टेकिंग खंगदे अतै अतोप प्रोग्राम कया अमद नखोइना पार्टिसिपेट तौगे हाय तारगदी बेनिफिट लौगे हाय तारगदी VIP क्लब की मेंबरशिप मथौ ताय लाइफ ट ग्रो तौनिंगबा रेगुलर वर्किंग तौदुना अहेनबा इनकम लौनिंगबा मियोय सिंगिदमक्तनी VIP क्लब हायरिबसि नखोइना करिगुंबा VIP क्लब सब्सक्राइब तौर हाय तारगदी तौद्रबसु करिमित कायदे अदुमपु फ्यूचर द कंपनी की माइकेदी लाकदब ऑफर कया अमद नखोइना बेनिफिट लौगे हाय तारगदी नखोई VIP क्लब की मेंबरशिप लौगु मथौ तानी फ्रेंड्स ngasi की वीडियो से VIP क्लब की इंपोर्टेंट अपडेट खरा मयामदा शेयर तौगे हायदुना वीडियो से समझबनी मयाम वीडियो से लोइबा फावबु जेंगु वीडियो की अनिसुबो पार्ट मिला मैम VIP क्लब की मरमदा ताकनी अदुना मैम वीडियो से स्किप तौदुना लोइबा फावबु जेंगु अदुगा फ्रेंड्स कंपनी की माइकेदी की शेयर की प्रमोशन ऑफर होइना अनो अनोब यूजर सिंग ऑफर क्या अम पीखरबनी अदुबु मयामना ममांगी ऑफर खुदिंगमक मिस तौखरे हाय तारगदी हौजिकसु प्रमोशन ऑफर होइना 50 यूनिट शेयर पॉइंट अनोब यूजर सिंग बोनस होइना पीरी इचिन इनाव सिंग आई हन्नमुक हायरिबसिनी हौजिक मार्केट नोंमगी 1% 10% दगिना 30% फौबा RYP ने हायदुना अनौब कंपनी कया अम लाई अखोई मयामदगी पैसा लौरगा फॉरेक्स ट्रेडिंग द पैसा थादे फॉरेक्स ट्रेडिंग दगी लाकपा बेनिफिट अदुदगी 1% 10% दगिना 30% डेली बेनिफिट पीने हायदुना मयामदगी पैसा खोमी फ्रेंड्स मार्केट हायबसी कनामत्ता हायबंगमदे नुमित खुदिंगी प्रॉफिट फंगनी हायबगिसु गारंटी लेते हफ्ता अमद करिगुम नुमित मरीनी लॉस ओइरगदी मतम मदुदा डेली 1% 10% दगिना 30% रिटर्न कंपनी की खाता दगी पीगदब नते अदुगा आई मयामदा सिमसु क्लियर तौजगे मयाम बिटकॉइन द इन्वेस्टमेंट तौबगी दमक्ता कंपनी नत्रगा एजेंट हिदुना लई फ्रेंड्स आई ममांगदसु क्यारक हन्ना ताक्रबनी हायख्रबनी क्रिप्टो करेंसी द इन्वेस्टमेंट तौबगी दमक्ता कंपनी नत्रगा एजेंट की मथौ तादे फ्रेंड्स शेयर बाजार दगी शेयर लेबगी दमक्ता डीमेट अकाउंट मथौ ताय शेयर बाजार द अखोई ट्रेडिंग तौगे हाय तारगदी डीमेट अकाउंट मथौ ताय असुमना क्रिप्टो करेंसी बिटकॉइन द इन्वेस्टमेंट तौगे हाय तारगदी क्रिप्टो एक्सचेंज बाइनेंस खंगदे वजिरेक्स खंगदे अतै अतोप क्रिप्टो एक्सचेंज अमदा अकाउंट लेब मथौ ताय अदुगा बिटकॉइन नत्रगा अतै अतोप करेंसी द अखोई ट्रेडिंग तौगे हाय तारगसु क्रिप्टो एक्सचेंज अमदा अकाउंट लेब मथौ ताय अदुगा ट्रेडिंग तौबा अदुगा इन्वेस्टमेंट तौबा असिदसु मयामगी डाउट क्या अमा लैरि फ्रेंड्स अखोइना बिटकॉइन द इन्वेस्टमेंट तौबा हायरिबसि अखोइ ngasi बिटकॉइन बाय तौरगा लॉन्ग टर्म की ओइना अखोइना होल्ड तौबा सिंग अखोइना बिटकॉइन द इन्वेस्टमेंट तौबा हायरिबसि अदुगा ट्रेडिंग तौबा हायबिसिति ngasi पोर्ट अमा लैरगा ngasi जोंजबा अदु नत्रगा नुमिनेनी नुमित हुमनेगी मनुंगदा हफ्ता अमागी मनुंगदा प्राइस अप कारकपगा प्राइस मथक कारकपगा अखोइ प्रॉफिट लौजरगा जोंथोकचबा अखोइना लैखिबा प्राइस अदुदगी प्राइस मथक कारे हाय तारगदी मतम अदुदा अखोइ सेल आउट तौरगा प्रॉफिट लौबा असिनी अखोइना ट्रेडिंग तौबा हायरिबसि इचिन इनाउसिंगी माइकेदगी सजेशन क्वेश्चन क्वारी लेरगदी कमेंट सेक्शन द कमेंट तौरगा हायबिरो हौजिगै VIP क्लब की इंपोर्टेंट अपडेट खरा मिला मैम गी थ्रू वीडियो सी मयाम द शेयर तौगे मयाम वीडियो सी कंप्लीट जेउ
So what has happened is for the last few days when we launched the VIP club, it was some of the technical mistake happens. So therefore, at the moment, old members were not able to make any purchase unless they part of the VIP club. But this will be fixed in 10 days. So this problem with the old members will be resolved in 10 working days. So the VIP club is not obligatory, it is as an option. You don't need to worry, you will get your bonuses, you will get, a loyalty program as well. Everything will be resolved. I hope you have a trust in the company. We decided this with the President Council to give 3 months grace period. So 3 months people can think about, and if they want it, they can join. Same for new registrations. They don't have to be part of the VIP club if they don't want. This is not obligatory. But what I can tell you is that with this, within 3 months time, the grace period, I'm sure that 95% of our network will join VIP club. And I will tell you why. First of all, VIP club will give you larger discounts for their educational packages. Number 2, as the member of VIP club, you will have larger bonuses on the loyalty program. Number 3, you can participate in this in internal exchange. Number 4, you can take the part in a staking. Even if you are a new member, you can come to the VIP club. You can buy unlocked crypto units on external exchange, and you can put them on a staking too. So this is not for old members, but for new members too. Number 6, you also can earn marketing bonuses on this VIP fee. So if you have in your network people who purchase the VIP membership, you can earn on this in the marketing plan too. And number 7, you also get access to exclusive webinars and exclusive promotions within the company. So my question to you, these 7 points, do you think they're worth of $10? Of course it is. And that's why we introduce this VIP club. So in each month, people can get extra benefits. But still, if you don't like it, you don't have to. So you can have old, like same back office, nothing will change for you. So you can have a same as you had before, but you will not get the 7 points. So that's why we believe that this VIP club would be ideal instruments for those who are building the business and for those who are looking for extra income streams. In the future, we will also add to the VIP club mining. In the future, we will also add to the VIP club some extra income through the social media. But it's not going to be free. Every single extra income we add is going to be extra price to pay. Because what we realized, when you give people everything for free, they don't appreciate it. There are so many network marketing companies where you have to pay for back office, you have to pay for the office, you have to pay for the conferences, you have to pay for everything. We give you everything for free. If you wanted to become the member of investment company, the minimum cost is 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. So that's why, guys, when we creating something extra for the company and when we providing some extra income stream, we want to market this to people who wanted to use this. So same with the VIP club. When you in VIP club, you will realize that you get paid much more than the entrance for the VIP club itself. And because of this, we have created this 3 months period where every single member can realize this himself. So therefore, guys, don't worry about, company make it compulsory. One more time, it is not compulsory. And whatever the bonuses you did not receive, you need to send the details to the support and they will create the table and we will deal with your accounts. And I can see lots of people asking about bonus profit. So bonus profit has nothing to do with the VIP club. It's 2 different things. So the bonus profit is their additional profit which created by portfolio. So every single person who is VIP club or non-VIP club, you will get profit bonus if the company creating the profit out of portfolio. And as the summary, to summarize, I would like to one more time to congratulate all of you guys who are joined the VIP club as the first clients. Because the first rule of the 8 qualities of leader is to buy products yourself. Be first. Always be the first to come to the conferences. Always be the first to build the business. Always be the first who receive the bonuses. Always be the first in buying the new products. Always be the first to stand behind your team and become a leader. So our company is growing extremely fast every single day. As you know, for the last year, we have increased our users to more than 1.4 million people globally. And I really can tell you guys, this is only beginning. We've been in the market for 6 years almost, and we're planning to be for next 60 years as the minimum. So if you're looking for stable company with a good reputation, the company which is working on 170 countries plus, company which can give you opportunity to become co-owner and businessman, company who has minimum 7 income streams, then please welcome to our VIP club. So thanks a lot guys to watching us today. Thanks a lot for joining this session. I hope you have now a bit more better idea what is VIP Club all about.